Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can send money with GCash. So let's dive in. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, enter your mobile number and PIN to access your account. The main dashboard will display various options, including the transfer feature you need to send money. Once you're logged in, you'll find the transfer button right on the dashboard. Tap on this option to begin the money transfer process. This will take you to the page where you can choose where to send your money. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a bank account for the transfer. You can either select a bank account you've previously saved or choose from a list of partner banks available on the app. If your recipient's bank account isn't saved yet, you can easily enter the bank details manually. After selecting the bank account, you'll need to enter the required details, such as the recipient's name, account number, and the amount you wish to send. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Once you've filled in the details, tap the Send Money button to proceed with the transaction. Before completing the transaction, GCash will display a summary of the details you've entered. Take a moment to review the recipient's information and the amount. If everything looks good, click on Confirm to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message, and a receipt will appear on your screen. You can download or share this receipt, and GCash will also send a confirmation email to your registered email address. And that's it. Your money has been successfully sent. It's that simple to send money securely using GCash.